Alrighty, guys, welcome back to the channel. Good news, guys. It's semi-good news. All right, that's some good news, I guess. Yes, I got it out, guys. That's the transmission I've been ducking and dodging for the last, I don't know. Well, it's really not my fault. It came in damaged, but I got a new transmission. That's the old one out of the car. So let me show y'all something, guys. This is crazy. All right, now y'all know my biggest beef with this whole job was the fact that it was all-wheel drive equipped. Okay, so look at this. And I can see I still got the PTU hanging out. All right. Actually, I didn't I probably should have. I don't know if I should be showing this, guys, because this can appear reckless, but it's not. I mean, mechanics gonna do what they gotta do to do as little work as possible. Okay, I don't know. But the PTU still hanging. I'm about to bolt it to the transmission. All right, now, yes, guys, this was a pain in the butt, just like I predicted. But let me tell y'all something. All right, I'm getting ready to do. Oh, and by the way, I tried my damnness to get this PTU out without removing the intake manifold. I had no choice, guys. Oh, that's the way the book said to do it. And I was like, hell with that book. I don't need no stinking book. Yes, it's just hanging there, but it's unbolted. All right, because it's in the way to clear removing this PTU back. See right here, I'm about to stab the PTU back in the shaft. But let me tell y'all something, guys. If you guys, this is a Jeep Cherokee, but I'm sure it's the same on any of those little tight, compact, small, mini SUVs. Look, I want to show y'all something right straight through there. That, ladies and gentlemen, well, you can't even see it. Let me see if I can get you out right here. I see that, ladies and gentlemen, that is a starter. I can almost imagine. I haven't looked at the direction, but in order to replace a starter, you got to remove the PTU. In order to remove the PTU, you have to remove the intake manifold. Oh my freaking goodness. And you know what's really hard about the starter? You're just trying to remove everything just to get to this bolt right here. It's two bolts bolting the starter to the engine. And the other one is up top, and it's even harder. Because how many of you took taken a 940 ATE transmission out? You would know how difficult it is to remove that starter bolt up top. You need a swivel 15 to get down in there. Oh my freaking goodness, guys, it's a pain in the butt. All right, but yeah, I had this off. Y'all know how hard it is to get this. This is the TCM. This transmission has a separate TCM. It has its own TCM. Okay, it's not incorporated into the PCM. So 948 TE equipped with its own personal TCM, guys. Okay, but oh my goodness, to get this PTU out is a pain, and it is just so many little nitpicking brackets. Again, I got jammed up right here. This was about to break. I just let it soak overnight, on off until I finally. Oh, I can't forget to put this back in, but oh my goodness, guys, this is stuff that make you want to question your career choices. But you just got to be made of steel to get this, to enjoy doing this stuff. I mean, don't get me wrong, I like what I do, but at some point, at some age bracket, at some age point, I'm really starting to use my brain versus my hands, labor. All right. Now that I have grasped enough knowledge and experience, I can use my brain instead of my hands to earn a living. Okay, via what I'm starting to do now. Okay, I might get into automotive instructing, but I don't know, guys. I've saw some of the pay that those colleges and trade school teachers make. I'm not impressed. So not impressed. I'm not knocking it. Okay, and you be on the rules. So I'm saying I've been here for the last 10 years. I got a little freedom, guys. Working on commission just about for the last 2.5 decades. So I understand if I don't work, I don't eat. At an establishment such as that, when you're supposed to work, you're supposed to work. Now, it's not that you know what I'm saying, I just love my freedom here. When you're on commission, you have to understand if you don't work, you don't eat. Yes, that's some good days, some bad. That's some days you don't run no hours, but you can offset that by turn up on days that you work. So yeah, don't get it twisted. I want to let this car down and show y'all some of the headache, how it looks up top. All right. Let me take a break. I'll be right back. Stay tuned. Alrighty, guys. Yes, here's the top view. Yes, guys, a hot mess. All right. Where's that starter boat? See, you can't even see it, guys. Straight down there. You got to use a special swivel 15 to get down there. I had to take the complete fuse. That's not a tip, guys. It's a fuse box. All of this, I got a bolt. Guys, as far as memory, they try to make it to where you don't have to think a lot. Like, this only gonna fit in one slot in the fuse box right here. So they try to give you a little help. But memory-wise, this will fall back into place. Okay, it's just so many freaking push pins like this. I'm lowering the transmission, right? Some reason I didn't see this, so this stabbed into the transmission. I'm just stretching the harness. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Look, all these little pins. Oh, nagging, guys. You talking about nagging. But, yeah, I got a bolt. Remember the bolt. I had to take it off. I took it off because I went back in. I was going to try to cheat. No, that's coming off. But anyway, I got to bolt that back down. Don't forget this. Try not to damage these pins. Cables, everything gonna fall right back into place. Throttle body right there. I had to take it off in order to remove the intake manifold. You can see I didn't remove it all the way. It's just hanging here. Could you imagine reaching back here trying to get these little tight bolts? Pain in the butt, guys. So I tell y'all what, man, I'm about PCM, fuse box, nitpicking this, nitpicking that. All-wheel drive, only because it's all-wheel drive. And on top of that, the car was hit